Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Costco membership to the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your Costco membership to the Instacart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click an account on the top right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Add Loyalty Cards. Then on this page here, find Costco and then click on Add Card. Next, click on Link Membership. And then this is where you're going to enter your Costco number and then click on Confirm. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Costco membership to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.